Welcome back, Cruises to All Aboard with Joe. Today I have a special treat for you. Let me close the door. I was given access to multiple suites on the Emerald Dawn. If you're familiar, this is one of Emerald Cruises, River Cruises. We are currently in Germany. This is also the sister ship to Emerald Sun. So if you're familiar with Emerald Sun, Emerald Dawn is the sister ship. It should be identical for the most part. So we're gonna do a quick little room tour. Let me give you a little bit of information about this room first. This is the Grand Balcony Suite on the Horizon deck, which is deck 3. It is about 210 square feet. And yeah, okay, let's just get in there. But so now that you know the square footage, it is slightly small, but it is a river cruise ship. That's what you need to remember. Okay, so upon entry, you've got obviously this mirror. It's like a tinted mirror, but it's still a mirror nonetheless. So if you check in your outfit for the day, there you go. You've got 2 light switches here. And then you've got a do not disturb sign. Now this do not disturb is unique only because at the bottom of the door outside is where they actually show this like little like red, or it's a blue light actually. And basically that tells the room service not to come in. Now, as you come in, let me show you the room itself here. You've got obviously plug-in areas here, okay? You've got your quiet Vox. These are for the tours. If you've ever done a river cruise or an ocean cruise and you've done a tour guide, they use these to talk to you. So that's what that is. You open this up, doubles as a storage, a phone, and also some other things. Pillow menu, mini bar pricing, and obviously a bottle opener. Here's your headphones. I'm gonna close this. Oh, also, as you can see, a mirror if you're doing your makeup, getting ready for the day. Obviously you see this slides out. So this is where I do my work in my room, which I'll show you later. Obviously you've got storage, plenty of storage, hair dryer, laundry bag, also laundry services they provide. Fairly good prices too. I'm not going to show you that, it's not really worth it. But anyways, there's that. So 2 drawers. And then you move over to here, you've got your mini bar. As I said, there's prices over in the other drawer. You've got your safe and additional storage cubbies, right? Now every day on Emerald, your room attendant will make sure you have water, and they give you these really nice reusable bottles, which is really cool because they're trying to get rid of waste. They don't give you any plastic bottles, which is really nice. And this is unique to this suite. Anytime this suite and higher, they get a coffee machine in the room, which I don't personally find necessary because they have a great coffee machine just a few steps away. But that is a nice little feature. Now, before we talk about the balcony area here, closet, so additional hanging and cubby space up here. Gives you a robe and slippers, an umbrella. It's really hot in Europe right now. So I'm going to shut this. You've got on the side table, you've got a reading light. No plugs to plug in your phone, unfortunately, but that's okay too. You can figure out how to do that on your own. Got a clock, which is really cool. The beds are super comfy. These are 2 twin beds, I believe, put together. I say I believe because in my room we have 2 twin beds because I'm sharing with my buddy. There is space under the bed. That's where I put my suitcase. Before going into the bathroom, let's talk about the balcony. Now, this is nice because this actually, in my room, we don't have this extension. So it's a little bit more crowded in my room where the chairs are kind of there. It's not in your way, it just doesn't have as much room. Like this has a lot more space, right? Now what's cool about this is that these windows, obviously it's really hot out right now, but they actually go down and up. So you just press this button down, and as you can see, it goes all the way down, which I'm not going to do right now. Now, as I said, it is very, very, very hot in Europe right now. So unfortunately, me and Barry, my buddy, we have not been able to take advantage of that. We did last night, but really I wanted to do it throughout the day, really getting fresh air, but unfortunately, best thing you do is just go outside and enjoy the fresh air, not so much in your room, which is a little bit of a bummer. But last night was nice. It's starting to cool down because it rained, so that's really nice. All right, so the final part I want to show you is the bathroom. Now, for those wondering, I am also doing a tour of the owner's suite. That might actually already be up on the channel. So if you want to see even a better suite, definitely go check that video out. Don't forget to subscribe too. So the bathrooms for a river cruise are quite big. My buddy, Barry, who has never been on a river cruise like me, he's done ocean cruises, said this was one of the biggest bathrooms he's ever seen, and I agree with him. So let's get right inside here. I just want to show you the products. So first off, this is the products that Emerald Cruises uses, Espa. I actually really like the body wash a lot. It's got bergamot and jasmine. It's really nice. But yeah, really good, powerful shower, adjustable for your height. I'm quite short, so not too much of an issue for me. Not a ton of storage, but pretty deep drawer. So we both were able to put our DOP kits in there, which is really nice. And then yeah, you know, just the traditional stuff, tissues, shower cap, vanity kit, a lot of stuff that I personally don't use. Now there is a North American outlet, but don't be charging your computer in here. This is just for hair dryer and stuff like that. That's it. Standard toilet, obviously trash can, nothing super fancy. Now, I will say that this isn't contingent on what kind of suite you have on Emerald Dawn, but the attendants are really great. They do a early morning change of your room. Obviously, if you want to save some water and help them out, you can keep your towel. You don't have to get your towel replaced every time unless you really want to, and that's okay. It's your vacation. But yeah, what's really nice is they come throughout the day. Like for example, I didn't know they came multiple times a day, and I actually left a shirt on the bed to go out on an excursion, and I came back and it was folded like midday, and I was like, well, I know Barry didn't do that. So they really do come and check on your room often. They also do a turn down service. For example, obviously here, you know, you want the sun not to wake you up, right? So they actually will close the blinds, make it nice and cozy, and put chocolate on your pillow. So that's really nice. But yeah, so this is the, what was this? The Grand Balcony Suite, I believe I called it. Yeah, on the Horizon deck. And if you guys liked this video, I do a lot of other room tours on ocean cruises and river cruises, and even sometimes hotel rooms. Oh, the cruise director is actually talking, so sorry if that's bothering you. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions about the Emerald Dawn. This is my first time on Emerald Cruises, but I will be back for more content. I've already posted some videos, and I think I'll be posting a full ship tour, which I have not got around to filming, so hopefully I do. I'm putting that in the universe. But yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment. I'll see you later. Bye.